After logging in to Simplify, go to the Settings screen. Then scroll down to find the SMS forwarding number. Any cell phone number entered here will receive a copy of any messages that come in to Simplify. After you enter your phone number, click Save. Now, let's go back to the home screen to the Receive tab and let's see what happens when a message is received. Here, we got a message from John Doe that says, "Hello there." Let's take a look at what happens on the cell phone that matches the SMS forwarding number. Here, we receive a text from the Simplify number that says ACH, that's just a three-letter code, followed by an asterisk, followed by the name of the person who sent the message, if that person is in our contact list, and then the content of the message. So in this case, John Doe is the person who sent the message, and we know who they are because they're in the contact list, and the content of their message is "Hello there." Now, suppose I want to reply to John Doe. Using my cell phone, I type the same code, in this case ACH, followed by an asterisk, and then the content of the message I want to send. Now, note that I'm sending this message not to the phone of this person, I'm sending it back to Simplify because Simplify is going to send it on to the person, and in that way, the person I'm sending the message to will not ever see my personal cell phone number. So the message that I send here is the three-letter code asterisk followed by the message. Finally, let's take a look at how we can look at a log of what happened here. Back in Simplify, go into the settings again and scroll down till you find this button that says Download Log File. When you click it, a CSV file will be downloaded to your computer. And let's take a look at what this CSV file looks like. Here we have a couple of columns that are particularly of interest to us. We have the message column that shows the content of each message. Each row here is one message. And we also have a note that tells us what kind of message this was. So we have notes like incoming text, an incoming text forward, that would be a message that was forwarded to my cell phone, a reply to a text forward, and then we have another incoming text forward. Finally, keep in mind that you do have the ability to change this SMS forwarding number on the fly or whenever you want to. So, some users of this software might want to use this feature to change who is on duty to receive messages at different times or on different days. You can always just go into the settings, change the SMS forwarding number, save it, and then have a different person there available to receive and reply to messages.